This instructional video covers the recommended procedures for cleaning your model M202 frozen custard machine. Before you begin, make sure you have the following items: a sanitized container and cover to catch and store liquid mix, buckets for water and sanitizer, Sterasheen green label sanitizer or equivalent, a soft bristle brush, the auger shaft wrench, a cleaning cloth or paper towel, a container to hold machine parts, cleaning solution, cleaning brushes, total blend lubricant or equivalent. Start by removing all the mix from the machine. Make sure the gate on the faceplate is open. Press the Purge Clean button twice. Once the timer has expired, allow the barrel to rest for at least 5 minutes before removing the custard. If there is any mix in the hopper, place a sanitized container at the opening of the front plate. Then, open the flow control valve all the way by turning the flow control knob clockwise to the clean position. After the hopper and freezing cylinder have drained, place the freezing cylinder switch in the off position. Then, close the front gate. After all the mix has been removed, the machine must be cleaned. Please note that the frequency of cleaning the machine and machine parts must comply with local health regulations. Place a bucket under the slide of the faceplate. Fill the hopper with 2 to 4 gallons of tap water, which should not be hotter than 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Replace the front gate with the splash guard and turn the flow control knob to the second band. Press the Purge Clean button twice. The display should read clean. Allow the water to drain. Once all the water has drained, press the Purge Clean button again to stop the clean cycle. It is now time to disassemble the machine. As you do so, inspect the machine for worn or broken parts. If you find any, they should be replaced to ensure safety to both the operator and the customer, and to maintain good machine performance and a high-quality product. Remove the flow control rod and flow control valve from the hopper by pulling straight up. Remove the cleaning plate. Remove the front door knobs. Remove the auger assembly from the machine. Pull the auger out of the freezing cylinder slowly using the auger shaft wrench. As you're pulling the auger out, carefully remove each of the blades and springs. Once the auger is clear of the machine, keep the rear of the auger shaft tipped up to avoid dropping the rear seal. Wipe the lubricant from the rear of the auger with a cloth or paper towel and remove the rear seal. Now that the machine is disassembled, each part needs to be completely cleaned and air dried before reassembly. The following procedure is a general guideline only. Local and state health codes dictate the required procedure, so consult your local and state health codes for the procedures required in your area. Place all loose parts in a pan or container and take to the wash sink for cleaning. Prepare a cleaning solution according to the manufacturer's instructions. Place all parts in a cleaning solution and clean with provided brushes. Wash the hopper and freezing cylinder with sanitized water and the designated long handle brush. Clean the rear seal surfaces on the inside of the freezing cylinder. Clean the drip pan, which is located at the back of the machine in the access panel. Polish the machine exterior with a clean, dry cloth. Rinse all parts with clean 90 degree to 100 degree Fahrenheit water and let air dry. Before you begin, please note that total blend lubricant or equivalent must be used when lubrication of parts is specified. Do not use more than 1 packet of total blend lubricant per freezing cylinder. The United States Department of Agriculture and the Food and Drug Administration require that lubricants used on food processing equipment be certified for this purpose. Use lubricants only in accordance with the manufacturer's instructions. To reassemble your machine, install the rear gasket onto the auger shaft. Do not lubricate the rear gasket. Lubricate the hex end of the auger shaft with a small amount of total blend lubricant. Install springs and blades onto the first 2 positions at the rear of the auger shaft. Make sure you use the standard blades for each position of the auger shaft except for the frontmost pins, which require the extended front blades. Rest the auger shaft inside the barrel with the first blade facing down. Push the auger inwards and rotate it until the second blade is facing down. Make sure not to drop the auger shaft inside the barrel. This can cause significant damage to the barrel surface. Rotate the auger shaft clockwise and place the next spring and blade on the pins. Continue until all springs and blades are installed, with the extended wing blades on the frontmost pins. Using the auger shaft wrench, push and turn the auger shaft until it engages with the drive coupling in the back of the machine. Lubricate the front end of the auger shaft and the inside of the front plate, where the bushing sits, with Total Blend lubricant. Lubricate the inside and outside of the front bushing with Total Blend lubricant. Place the bushing on the end of the auger shaft. Place the large O-ring onto the front plate. Install the front plate onto the machine and secure the front gate. The machine is now ready for sanitizing. To learn more about your frozen custard machine, visit us online at stoltingfoodservice.com.